Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for those of you who only have one computer and one phone. We'll show you how to use your phone as a second screen for your computer, giving you more screen real estate for improved multitasking. Let's get started. The first step is to ensure that both your computer and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for them to communicate with each other seamlessly. The software that will enable this functionality is called SpaceDesk. Head over to spacesc.net on your computer and download the installer for the main computer. Once it's downloaded, run the installer to set up the software on your computer. On your Android phone, you can find the SpaceDesk app on the Play Store. Simply search for SpaceDesk and install the app on your phone. After completing the installation on both your phone and computer, it's time to establish the connection. Open the SpaceDesk app on your Android phone, and it will automatically discover your computer on the same network. You should see your computer listed on the app. Just select it, and the connection process will begin. It might take a few moments to set up, but once connected, your phone will act as a second screen for your computer. And there you have it. With just one phone and one computer, you've successfully turned your phone into a second screen using SpaceDesk. This can be incredibly useful for multitasking, extending your display, or even using it as a secondary monitor while on the go. Now you can enjoy a more productive and efficient workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.